Hello, today is Thursday. It is the 10th day of July 2014. My name is Derek. Welcome to today's silver chart analysis. As of close to 11 a.m. Eastern Time, price action set in at 21.44, up 32 cents or a 1.5%, with volatility in at 2.33%. The United States dollar is pretty much going sideways to up, which means that this is not going up because the US fiat currency is going down, or the price of silver and other currencies is doing about the same or a little bit better. Okay, so now that we've broken past this significant resistance, what does it mean? Well, the first thing that it means is this area here, roughly around 21.15 to 21.30, or 28, we'll say 30. 15-cent range, 21.15 to 21.30 is now a support area, which was resistance before. If this is a failed breakout, and when you're in these type of ranges, that's not a surprise for the first move to be a failure. The common symptoms is that it would regain itself back within the range relatively quickly, which would either be today or tomorrow, and then within the few days after that, break the key support. So those are the things to look at if, of course, the first move is a failed breakout. And if you're looking for different things of, well, what happens if it comes back to that area I just mentioned, and then it starts to go higher? Well, what's the key high? Let's just say it's 21.55, and then it comes down to, say, 21.15, which is a 40-cent drop. And you start to notice it up around 21.46, 21.47. Well, at that stage, I'd be stating, okay, that's that key support area we're looking for. It's rallied from that point, and there's even more reason now to state that the moves to the next two key levels, which is roughly around 21.75, and here, this previous high, and then of course the 2014 high of 22.18 would be the next significant resistance level for when you have a situation from like moving from point A to point B, and it holds and stays above significant Fibonacci, which is this one here, the 61.8%. Well, that's a failed move, and thus the move or the next play is to that previous high. So that's the bias that I have, even though the first move is towards the upside. All I'm saying is just to be a little cautious at this stage, but the path of least resistance is higher and the momentum is towards the upside. You're still going to be concerned about weird stories that can come in any time. For example, it could be possible that a man comes out of the Middle East waters and maybe he's wearing a 1970s hockey mask and then rains terror amongst a bunch of people. They finally get him and kill this guy. We'll give him a name, maybe a Bin Laden kind of name, and well, boom, the price is going to crush. I say that because in a sarcastic, realistic level, well, the 2011 crash was reported that it was a Bin Laden fall, him dying. If he dies again, well, wouldn't it fall again? That's just something to consider. But reality is they'll give you a reason for an up move or a down move. Just don't believe that reason whatsoever. But for now, my bias again is that move with today or tomorrow towards these levels in here. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll talk to you later on. Bye-bye.